The iPhone SE was so successful that users have long expected it to continue. In 2020, fans finally got such a chance. According to rumors, the miniature gadget will be clothed in a classic design, will receive the latest processor and some features from the iPhone 11. But what will the Cupertinians play to simplify the smartphone and offer customers an attractive price? What iPhone SE 2 will look like and when it goes on sale, the latest trenders and puzzles. Positioning, what will the iPhone SE 2 be like? Those who watched the iPhone release know that the first version with the SE Index was released in 2016, is positioned as an inexpensive smartphone in a compact case. Then its diagonal was only 4 inches, but thanks to a decent processor and a good camera, the budget gadget quickly won the love of the public. Indeed, not everyone likes to hold a shovel in their hands and not everyone wants to overpay for a large display. It is expected that the second generation of SE will not be so miniature, finding the optimal diagonal while maintaining compactness and technological requirements of the new time. Presumably, the device will receive such characteristics: A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM, Touch ID biometric sensor, 64, 128 and 256 GB of internal memory, haptic touch sensor. According to rumors, the new iPhone smartphone will be equipped with a Lightning connector, a proprietary graphics processor, a more capacious battery, but without support for wireless charging. The traditional work of the gadget on the iOS platform is assumed, and the photo can be taken on a single camera, like its predecessor.